Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We got a bunch of radios going out, GTS radios, flashed, unlocked, shipping out. This one belongs to Carlos, owner of DLW Trucking. So he's friends with Lester, heard Lester's bike. Lester's got an NVS Audio Stage 3, so he wanted the same thing. So he reached out and ordered one of our easy install kits. We put it together for him. He shipped us his radio. So we flashed the radio flat, activated CarPlay and Android Auto. Then we built him a T-harness for his Audio Dynamics DSP. Wired up amplifiers, built him an NVS Audio amp wiring harness, and shipped everything back out. This is radio going back out. Apple CarPlay is activated. It's flashed flat. It's ready to go. Then we got a couple other ones on the table ready to go too. Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So Ray from Georgia sent me in a brand new radio bracket. So I guess he didn't want any downtime, so he didn't pull the bracket off his bike. He went to the dealer and got a brand new bracket for me to modify and put the Lex rack on. And then we're gonna install two Evo X 800.4s on them, flash his radio, and then ship it all back. Brand new rack. Time to cut it up. This is Antoine's setup. We cut his rack. Just wanted to show you what it looked like before we lay the Lex rack in it. His radio's flashed. This is Ray's out of Georgia. So he bought a brand new radio bracket from the dealer. We put a package together for him with two Evo X 800.4s. Both of them are bridged. T-harness. DSP mounted under the radio. Power and ground for both amps. Fuse holder by the battery. Some more GTS radios flashed, ready to go out. This one we paired with a DSR1 DSP and a T-harness. CarPlay is now enabled.